Good afternoon, everybody. I just want to take a short minute of your time to make a quick video to show you the program that we'll be dual booting on our computers this year. Um, we'll be using a combination of either Windows 7 or Windows 10 with this program. This is Ubuntu Linux. It's an educational version they have. You'll be able to pick from Windows or from this each time you start the computer. This program has a lot of educational software built in for free that you can't get with Windows, which is why we decided to go with this program this year. It's very similar to the one we used last year. It just has the educational programs, more of them built in. It has programs geared from small kids all the way up to college students can use this. Let's show you a little bit of the programs it has. It has a dictionary. It has different games on here. It has some educational software, like this one's geared more for kids, where you can learn how to count, you can learn how to draw numbers, alphabet, all kind of different things there. You have a bunch of games that are geared for little kids. This also has a couple of typing programs in it for the kids to learn how to type. It has a couple of really cool games, cool stuff. It's got an algebra app. Like I said, it's got a family tree app. It's got all kind of different things on here. It has a full office suite for kids to use all the way up through college, where it has Word, different things like that on it. It has a built-in program for kids to learn how to do coding with Linux. Coding is a big thing for future for kids, because pretty much everything is going to computer, which is all software is run by code. So the more they can learn to code, even your cell phone runs on a Unix code. Android, iPhones, they're basically dressed up versions of code. So the more they can learn now, the better their future will be. It also has games like Mr. Potato Head game for littler kids. Let's keep going. Like I said, it's got the coding apps. It's got paint, typing games, all kind of different software. It's got a math program, a math game, which I think this one's kind of neat, where you can choose fractions. You can do all kind of stuff. You can play against other people. Like if you let's go back. When we play along, let's do addition. All you do on this one, you see the problems coming into view. 2 plus 3, so you click 5 and then shoot it. 1 plus 2, 3, boom. Just something to keep the kids interested as they learn. You also have your web browser built in. You have email programs. Just really nice software all in one. You have the Ubuntu store in here where you can download more apps if you'd like, more games. Linux has a ton of games, ton of free stuff that you just can't get with Windows. We do include Windows. We are going to include Windows as a dual boot, just for the fact there are some programs that different schools use that, especially homeschool kids, that you cannot use with Linux. They need a Windows-based setup. So we are going to include both on there. And again, you'll have your option of picking at startup if you want to use the Linux or if you want to use Windows. You'll have the best of both worlds basically for your kids. We're going to gear the computers this year. We will put an age limit on it to how old of a kid that we will have the computers for. Not sure yet what the age limit is. We're going to try to work that out, try to come up with a little better system this year of picking people, so that we can try to get them to people who really need them and can really use them. Again, we'll have more about that as it comes closer to the giveaway time. But I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate everything you guys do for us, helping spread the word about us, helping get our page out, sharing our page, letting people know about us. We appreciate it. We appreciate everything you guys do, because we couldn't do the giveaway without you. Hope you guys have a great afternoon.